Want to give your phone a fresh start or prepare it for a new owner? Learning how to safely reset your phone is essential. Resetting your phone can fix performance issues, remove personal data before selling, or clear out malicious software. But it's crucial to do it safely. Before anything else, make sure to back up all your important data. This includes photos, contacts, apps, and documents. Cloud services like Google Drive and iCloud are great for automatically syncing your data. Ensure all your valuable information is safely stored off-device. For an additional layer of security, consider backing up your phone directly to a computer using a USB cable or relevant software. Next, sign out of all your accounts, especially Google or Apple ID. This prevents unauthorized access and ensures the phone is truly decoupled from your personal information. Now that your data is safe and accounts are removed, you're ready for the factory reset. On Android, go to Settings, then System, and finally Reset Options. For iOS, navigate to Settings, General, and then Transfer or Reset iPhone. You will be prompted to enter your PIN or password to confirm the reset. Make sure you understand that this action will erase all data. If you're selling or donating your phone, consider overwriting the data after the factory reset to ensure complete data irrecoverability. By following these steps, you've successfully reset your phone safely, leaving it clean and ready for its next chapter. Thanks for watching.